After that, we make B, this is IP private, okay, IP private, 100, 101, this is 1, after that 100, 102, nah, this is, after that, we make B, this is, nah, okay, after that, this is IP private, IP public, uh, for example, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, for example, again, 10, 10, 10, 1, this is, after that, in this is 10, 10, 10, 10, 2, okay, after that, make B, this is, nah, okay, after that, this is, okay, 10, 10, 10, 10, nah, okay, nah, this is, the result, okay, this is tunnel, okay, nah, you get it, okay, nah, uh, it creates two distinct tunnel, okay, nah, CAPWAP, control and provisioning of wireless access point, oh yeah, what the kind, the kind is GRA CAPWAP CAPWAP, okay, now CAPWAP, this is the standard protocol used in Cisco Centralized wireless network. It creates two distinct tunnel between the LAP and the WLC, a control tunnel UDP port, okay, to manage the access point, and a data tunnel UDP port. This is to encapsulate user wireless traffic and forward it to the control L. Okay, after that, question 7, network access and network channel LACP. Network administrator is configuring a layer 2 Ether channel between two switch using link aggregation control protocol (LACP). Switch A is configured with channel group 1 mode passive, which mode must be configured on switch B to successfully establish the Ether channel. Okay, uh, active. Okay, nah, similar disease. Okay. We make this is switch one, and we make this is switch two. Okay, nah, after that make be this is cable, fast ethernet, fast ethernet. Oh, wait. Nah, okay, this is cable. Okay, now make be the fast ethernet 0/1 until /2. After that, fast ethernet 0/1 until 2. Nah, okay. Nah, this is uh, for example, make be this is spending mode. This is make be passive. Nah, okay, must uh, this is make be mode active. Nah, you must make this is okay. Okay, nah this is active, this is passive, and this is about LACP. Okay, nah any the similar, okay, the similar this material of ether channel. Nah, the ether channel uh, any two kind LACP and PAGP. Nah, PAGP, this is the function is yes, same, this is function, but the configuration is different. Nah, the name configuration at LACP, this is passive and active. Nah, after that PAGP, this is auto and desirable. Nah, this is okay. You got it. Nah, okay. Nah, the expression is D. Okay. Nah, question A, IP service and network address translation NAT. Okay, about NAT. Nah, what is the NAT? Okay. Nah, okay. I read this is okay. An engineer needs to configure a Cisco router to allow multiple inside local hosts to share a single public IP address for internet access. Which configuration keyword must be appended to the NAT translation command to enable this feature. Okay, nah. Okay, the answer is overload. Okay, nah. Okay, this is you can now about NAT. What is the NAT? Nah, the NAT, this is the network address translation. Okay. Nah, what the function is NAT? The function is NAT is translation from the IP private to IP public. Okay. Nah, the actually IP public not connected be IP private. Even even you make BOSPF, even you make B routing, similar static routing, switching, static routing, OSPF, AJRP, BGP, RIP. Nah, this is uh, same not connected. Okay. Nah, what the solution this is? Okay. This is any solution. You must be make the NAT. Okay. Nah, the NAT this is the similar Google Translate. Okay. Nah, similar Google Translate. Nah, the people not understand if the if the word, yes, if the one word, okay, when he or she when person want to translate, this is word similar, for example, uh, makan. Okay, nah, this is the Indonesia language. Okay, makan. Nah, the person in the Indonesian person, nah, uh, need now, yes, one now, what the English, this is makan, yes. Nah, okay, nah, the English this is eat. Okay, nah, okay, same be the network. Okay, nah, the IP this is the IP private. Okay, make be not, this is uh must be legit, yes. The IP public must know what the this is IP, yes, because this is IP external from public. Nah, because okay, the solution this is make be legit. Now, what is legit? The legit is the network address translation. Okay. Nah, for example, router, router, router again. After that, this is server. After that, this is PC, PC. Okay. Nah, make be this is okay. Cable. Okay. Nah, this is okay. The kind nut. This is any nut inside and outside. Okay. Nah, okay, not inside. Now, what is the meaning of not inside? Not inside. This is okay. Make be this is okay. Nah, okay. From this the server to this PC. Okay. Now this is inside. After that, outside, this is from PC to this is okay. Now this is we make BIP public. Nah, uh, before this, the configuration NAT. Okay, we must know about the configuration. This is what the meaning this configuration. Nah, okay, how the configuration? Nah, the configuration. This is any two kind. Nah, not inside. Okay. Nah, inside this is okay. Maybe not configuration. And for example, IP not inside, IP not outside. Nah, this is okay. You got it. Nah, if you do now, if you not understand, let's learn again and ask be uh, AI. Okay. Nah, this is the from my mind. Okay. Nah, okay. The question is B. To map multiple private IP address to a single public IP address. Port address translation path, okay, is used port address translation. In Cisco iOS, path is enabled by adding the overload keyword, okay, at the end of the IP not inside source command, okay. Nah, but this is make be not overload. Now, after that, security fundamentals and access control is access list. Okay. Now, scanner, you are instructed to implement a standard numbered access list to block traffic originating from a specific human resource server. Now, this is from reaching the executive subnet. Now, where is the most ideal location to apply the standard ACL? Okay, A closest to the source interface of the higher server, closest to destination. Okay, now the answer is B. As a rule of thumb, standard access list should be placed as close to the destination as possible because the standard access list can only filter based on the source IP address. Okay, now uh, standard access list. Okay. Standard access list was what the nah the standard access list. This is any two extended and standard. Extended this is make blocking the IP address IP address, yes, IP address in the one VLAN. Okay, nah but this is the one IP address in the one VLAN. Similar this is router uh, wait, maybe this is router, this is switch, PC, this is switch. Okay, maybe PC1, PC2. Okay, now the IP is maybe 192.168. Now this is 10 2. This is maybe 10 3. Nah, okay, the standard. Nah, the standard, what is the standard? The configuration. Nah, the standard make be blocking the network. This is VLAN. Okay, nah this is VLAN. Nah, VLAN 10 and VLAN 2. Okay, nah this VLAN yes one VLAN. Okay, make be that this is VLAN 2. Okay, nah this is VLAN 2. Okay, nah and extended access list make be IP was choosing this is IP. Okay, similar 10 2. Okay, we blocking this is IP, not this is IP. Okay, you got it. Okay, question 10, network fundamental and IP addressing. The scenario, while inspecting the interface status of a router, a technician notice, okay, prefix, this is MAC address. What type of IPv name address this is? Explanation, IPv name link local address. Okay, C link local address. Nah, you got it. Nah, this is IPv number does always automatically start with the prefix. This is MAC address typically, okay. MAC address public, yes. Oh sorry, ini sorry, this is public, yes. The gateway public. Nah, these address are not routable and are used for communication within the same local link or subnet, such as neighbor discovery. Question 11. Network access and spanning tree protocol. What is the primary benefit of enabling Cisco port fast on a switch port connected directly to an user workstation? Nah, the answer is port fast allow an access port connected to an host like a PC or printer to bypass the traditional STP. Nah, STP, this is spanning tree port fast. Okay, nah, listening and learning, and move straight to forwarding. This prevents the CP team timeouts on the host while ensuring the port doesn't trigger unnecessary topology change notification. Okay, nah. Okay. Uh, I take example. Nah, this is okay. This is switch. Okay. Nah, after that, this is sorry. Uh, this is router. Okay. After that, this is PC, 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 PC. After that, MACD cable. This is. Nah, okay. This is cable. Nah, okay. This is you know the okay MACD port. This is bus Ethernet 0/1. This is okay. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, After that, bus Ethernet 0/2. Nah, this is 3/3/4. Okay. Nah, spanning port fast make be the connection be a stability and fast. Okay. Nah, okay. The different. This is if make be spanning port fast. Nah, this is become become fast. Okay. Nah, become fast, and the color, this is the color cable, this is green. Okay. Nah, this is green again. Wait. Nah, oh sorry. Nah, this is become green. After that, this is become green again. Nah, so if not make the spanning pot fast, okay. Nah, the for example be this is the color is in the cable is yellow. Nah, this is you can know. But this is the swelling foot fast. This is making efficiency in uh, configuration efficiency. Okay. Nah, okay. You get it? This is and the STP podcast. This is make be listening and learning. Okay, nah, so be a fast, yes, fast process to send packet from router to the this is PC. Okay, you got it? Okay, that's what is B in okay. Podcast allow an access port connected to an and host like a PC. Okay, nah. Question 11. IP connectivity and routing table logic. A Cisco router has three distinct paths to reach the destination IP address. 10.115. The routing table contains the following entries. Static route to 10.110/24 AD1 AGLP route to 10.111/26 AD 19. Route to 10.100/16 AD. Nah, AD this is uh, dynamic, yes, access. Where's AD? Oh, distance, yes, about a distance. Active distance, yes. Which route will the router? Okay, now the SOA is this is a classic seasonal trap. When a router looks up a destination, the longest prefix match most specific must always wins first. Regardless of administrative distance, the address is 10.10.10.10.115 match of slash 26. Okay, now this is of for which is more specific than slash 24 or slash 16. Administrative distance is only compared if there is a tie in prefix length for the exact same network block. Okay. Ah, okay. Location uh, 13. IP service and DHCP security. Which security feature mitigates rogue DHCP server attacks by categorizing switch port into trust, connect to a legitimate DHCP service and on trusted. Nah, make be DHCP snooping. Okay. Nah, DHCP snooping. Nah, this is creates a logical boundary by classific ports. Trusted ports allow a DHCP message, okay, including offers and acknowledgement from servers, while untrusted ports drop incoming server message, completely blocking rogue with DHCP servers from handing out invalid configuration. Nah, DHCP snooping. This is okay. For example, the two router, okay, uh, was make the routing. Nah, in the routing, okay. Nah, this is any the process. Nah, the process make be this is process about knowledge about Dora. Yes, you can know this Dora. Dora discover offer no route discover offer routing or I don't know and acknowledge. Okay, now if the four, okay, if the four option Dora, yes, DORA, not complete. Okay, now the the configuration not complete, but but stop, yes. Nah, but low, yes, low response. Nah, uh we can we can name be this DHCP snooping. You got it? Nah, after that, question 14, automation and programmability, REST APIs. An engineer is interacting with a network controller using of REST API. The engineer needs to create a brand new VLAN configuration on a remote switch. Which HTTP operational method should be used? Nah, correct and word C explanation. REST APIs map CRUD. Operation to HTTP verbs. Nah, ports create, get, read, patch, update, or modify, delete is delete. Nah, question 15, network fundamental and transport layer protocol. Okay, nah, which of the following characteristics accurately describe the user datagram protocol UDP? Nah, okay, the answer this is B. Okay, nah, UDP is a connectionless lightweight transport protocol. It does not guarantee delivery, use sequence numbers, or establish of handshake. Unlike TCP, this absence of overhead make it highly optimized for real-time, delay-sensitive traffic like voice, via AP, and video streaming. Nah, this is about how the answer for the network fundamental. Okay. Nah, the network fundamental, the ping, yes. I need the TCP, UDP, yes. Nah, UDP, this is about uh, web access website, maybe, yes, maybe. Nah, question this is security fundamental and secure access device access. Can an administrator is configuring the virtual terminal lines VTY on a switch, which command sequence completely restrict remote management access to secure encrypted SSH secure shell. This is a secure shell session only disabling encrypted telnet. Okay, nah, and then the answer is B. Explains the command transport input SSH under the VT WLAN configuration tells the device to accept only incoming SSH connection. Telnet attempts will be explicitly rejected, securing the management plan from clicks clear text sniping. CryptoK generate RSA is required globally but not configured directly under the VTY line. Okay, nah, the configuration of SSH, the line VTY, this is in the uh, in the this is okay. I have the this is nah, the line VTY 0/4. Nah, the SSH this is MACD IP name crypto key generate. After that username admin privilege IP SSH. Nah, this is table what SSH. Okay, after that this is line video 0/4. Nah, this is the under this comment make be password net 123 login terus internet exit. Okay. After that question 17 network access and trunking issues. Can I switch one is configured with a native VLAN of 10 on its trunk interface. Switch to connected directly off on the other side of the trunk is configured with a native VLAN of 99. What are two consequences of this misconfiguration? Okay. Okay. Yeah. The answer is A and C. Nah, what the okay the A this is Cisco dash Config Protocol CDP will generate error alerts regarding mismatch. Traffic from VLAN 10 may accidentally leak into VLAN 99, posing a security risk. INC, native VLAN mismatch causes untagged traffic from one VLAN to be processed by the wrong VLAN on the opposing switch, resulting in cross VLAN traffic leaks and potential spanning tree loops. CDP will actively detect this and log console warnings. It does not actually automatically place the port into an error disable state. Okay. about network access in and tracking access. Nah, but this is any in the net arcade. Okay, question 18. IP Service and Network Time Protocol (NTP). Local network router synchronize its system clock directly from an external atomic clock server via NTP Network Time Protocol. The external atomic clock is considered stratum zero source. Nah, what is the stratum level of the local network router? Okay, the answer is B. Nah, the B is stratum 1. Now, this is NTP uses a hierarchical system of stratum levels to indicate distance from authoritative time source. Atomic clocks of GPS source are stratum 0. Device directly connected to stratum 0 source becomes stratum 1. Nah, network time protocol, this is MACD time, yes, the time, the clock, similar. This server, DNS server, we MACD this time in Indonesia. Nah, MACD, this is Sunday, uh, 17 May 2026. Nah, okay. After that, the question 19, automation programmability configuration management. Okay. Nah, which configuration management tool is fundamentally Angelus utilizes YAML file called playbooks and relies on standard SSH connection to manage destination Cisco network infrastructure device. Okay, network infrastructure device. Okay, uh, okay. Nah, Puppet, Chef, Ansible, Cisco Catalyst Center. Okay, nah Ansible. Nah, what the why the question is Ansible? Ansible is widely known for being agentless, no software installation required of the target switch routers, and uses YAML formatting for its automation file, which are called playbooks. Puppet and Chef, generally agent. Now, Puppet and Chef make the Ruby or DSL. YAML this is playbook. After that Ansible this is being agentless. Okay. Question 20. Security fundamental and site-to-site VPNs, virtual protocol network. Okay. Nah, this is inside to site IPsec VPN deployment. Nah, which are architectural framework component is explicitly responsible for providing data confidentially through robust data encryption. Nah, that's why is B. Okay, encapsulating security payload as ASP. Now, what the question? Okay, within the IPsec suite, SP encapsulating security payload handles encryption and confidently data integrity and authentication. Aha, authentication header provides authentication PA and integrity but does not support encryption. Okay, nah the integrity profile application support encryption. IK V2 version 2 handles tunnel negotiation and Diffie-Hellman manages secure key exchange. Okay, nah this is about VPN IPsec development. Okay, about the architectural framework. Okay, the component. Okay, uh, This is about done CC and A. Yes. This is I need 20 question. Okay. Nah, this is for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.